Sales orders reserve item quantities. The system has the option to reserve item quantities in sales order to a particular customer. If you want to reserve the quantities in the sales order, first you need to change the setup for the sales orders reserve item quantities. Go to company, change company settings, select general settings, select item settings. From here, if you tick this option, sales orders item quantities will reserve for the particular customer. After you tick this option, you can save the settings, and when you enter the invoice, you can view the available quantities and reserve quantities, and also you can generate a report what are the quantities on hand, quantity reserved, and quantity available. To check this option, first you need to set up these settings before enter sales orders. If you have any sales orders, you can delete that sales orders and you can tick this option. We can check that reserve item quantities from customer invoice. Go to customers, select transactions, select customer tax invoices, select add a tax invoice, you can select item from the drop down menu. Now you can see reserve quantity and quantity on hand. Furthermore, you can generate items reports. Go to items, reports, select item quantities, view the report. From this report, you can view what are the item quantities reserved in the sales order. In this report, you can view quantity on hand, quantity reserved, and quantity available.